Welcome back, all. Welcome to another session of Sustainable Engineering, MCN 201, Module 3, and it's Lecture 3. Myself, Rahul Lenar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss about the wind energy, wind sources. What are the advantages? What are the purpose of wind energy in our human life? Let's discuss.
Wind energy is a renewable power that converts the wind into power to generate electricity. Wind turbines are used to transfer wind into electricity or mechanical power. Wind energy is very useful for human life. Wind energy is natural energy such as wind energy allows to produce energy for farmers. If farmers use wind energy, they contribute to reduce pollution using wind energy to produce for factories. How does wind energy is converted to electricity? In order to convert wind energy into electricity, you need to exist a turbine. As the turbine receives the wind, it will start converting the wind energy into electricity. In this image, we have an example of a turbine. Next slide, we have an example of turbines that are placed on farmer fields. In this image, we have a diagram of a turbine. We have all the components of a turbine, starting from the pitch, low speed shaft, gearbox, generator, controller, anemometer, wind vane, nacelle, high-speed shaft, tower, jaw motor, jaw drive, brake, blades, wind direction, and the final, the round. The generator is in charge to send all the revolutions per minute. A generator can create 1,800 revolutions per minute. That is a lot of energy. The anemometer is in charge to send all the energy that is received to a computer. The anemometer is connected to a computer, in other words. Advantage. The major advantage of the wind energy is that it doesn't have any direct carbon emissions or pollutants and doesn't consume water. Now we go with the disadvantages. First disadvantage is noise disturbances. Wind energy is not polluting. The turbines may create a lot of noise. This alone is the reason that wind farms are not built near residential areas. People who live by often complain of huge noise that comes from wind turbines. The visual pollution is another reason why people do not find turbines attractive to install it in their backyard. The second disadvantage is threat to wildlife. Due to large-scale construction of wind turbines on remote locations, it could be a threat to wildlife nearby. Wine turbines in particular can also be harmful to birds and other flying creatures. Studies conducted to determine the effect of wind turbines on birds and animals suggest that animals see wind turbines as a threat to their life. Also, wind turbines require them to be deep into the earth, which could have negative effect on the underground habitats. The last disadvantage is safety concerns. In the last couple of decades, the frequency of tornadoes, hurricanes, and cyclones have increased considerably. Now these severe storms can cause extensive damage to the wind turbines and can be safety hazard to people working in these wind farms. The damage may cause huge damage to wind turbines and permanent disability to humans in some cases. Now, to conclude my presentation, my conclusion is wind energy contributes a lot to reduce pollution and global warming. Turbines are a good way to produce natural energy. Wind energy also helps farmers. If a farmer uses wind energy, obviously is contributing to help to reduce pollution. And by farmers using wind energy, they're not using another type of energy, just natural energy that is provoked by the wind. So that's my conclusion, and yeah, that's all. Thank you.